Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford, guys. It could be any Ford such as Ford Mustang, Ford F-150, other Fords that use the 5.0 Coyote engine, guys. And you have that noise, Rattle, known as the typewriter noise. Today will explain one simple additive that will take care of that. Now let me tell you, I was not a believer in oil additives until I started using the Liqui Moly, guys, and there is a certain additive that will help with that noise. And practically I used it on multiple Mustangs and it was gone, guys. But the same Coyote 5.0 will be used in Ford F-150 and other Ford vehicles as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. If you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So now we are going to go ahead first. Okay, let's go ahead and start it, guys. Let's start that car. Here's the 5.0. Let's open the hood. Let me just help you. Okay, here. Okay, let me get the hood on that thing because it's quite heavy hood. This is the 5.0 Coyote engine, guys, powered by Ford here. Now there are some minor differences between the F-150 and the Mustang. Mustang is more horsepower, but basically both of them are built on the same platform. So let's go ahead, start it, and we'll try to replicate that noise. Okay, let's go ahead, do that now. Here, guys, that sounds like like a typewriter noise, okay? A rattle noise. So let's go ahead and explain what we're going to use actually to take care of that. So let's turn the car off. Okay, and now let me tell you guys, I was not a believer in oil additives until I used them to fix oil leaks on BMWs, and until I used an engine flush, which is the one right here, guys, on a Porsche Cayenne with 190,000 miles. And the moment, guys, we opened the valve covers, the engine looked almost like it had 50,000 miles. It was amazing. That's the oil that we use now, Liqui Moly. This is one of the best oils that I use. It's for Asian and American vehicles, works on Ford as well, meets the Ford requirements. So what additive takes care of that problem, guys? Liqui Moly Cera Tec. This additive, guys, is simply amazing. It lasts 50,000 kilometers or 30,000 miles. It's amazing to the point that it reduces friction by 75%. It reduces engine wear, okay, 34%, using motor oil 1040 and Cera Tec. You can see the difference. Okay, those are the test results. Now that additive will make your engine super nice and smooth. What I recommend, use it, okay, one fuel tank of gas and you will notice unbelievable results. We're going to end after we burn a whole tank of gas and you will see the results. Shake it really good and just go ahead, add it. Okay, it's weird cover by the way, but don't let that discourage you. Okay, so we'll go ahead, add it, and we'll continue. So we're done, guys. We're going to go ahead, add fuel now. We'll burn one tank of gas and we will report the results. We'll listen to the engine again and see what it sounds like. So we drove, guys, that Coyote engine for 500 miles with the additive, about 2 fuel tanks. Probably didn't drive it too nice too, to be honest with you. We got really low miles per gallon, but we're kind of like still having fun with that vehicle. So let's go ahead, turn it on now. After 500 miles you're going to see significant decrease in that noise, almost non-present at all. Okay, let's go ahead. So you can see, guys, the engine sounds good. Let's just rev it up all at 7. Okay. So that I would definitely recommend getting that additive, guys. Okay, probably it improved the noise, I would say, between 80 and 90%. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.